priests who are wearing the mask of the gods. And that's why, look at the king's head. He has no crown.
Two sanctuaries for the two gods. The priests would come in the center. The kings would ask and give offerings, and then the priests, depending on how the offerings were, would give them permission or give them damnation. The birthing chairs and first evidence of utensils used in surgery. The commoner's prayer wall, where the ears up there, you can see the temple so the gods could hear you as you gave your prayers and asked your questions. The cedar wood joining pieces.
Guys, by the way, there were two axes to this well. The first axis.
When the flood was lower, they used these stairs to see what the meter was. When it was really high, they used these stairs. Get the boat set up for our beach day. We got the bar at the beach. And Kenzie actually got in the water. What are you doing? I don't trust you. Lemon tree at the end of the mangoes. It's the dom palm. Dome fruit. You juice it. 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
No reality, what's that? 6! Go!
Oh, that's terrifying.
You've got to like be able to.
But what am I? No, it's like.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's yeah, nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. Go on.
Got this, Brandon.
Nice.
Nice. Woo!
Playing a game of tag here. Justin is now it. We got dueling prayers. City over here. Village over there. About 5 times a day. About 15, 20 past the hour. On some not high quality loudspeakers that lead the prayer. Cheers from the Nile River at sunset on our last night floating on the river. Beautiful, peaceful times. A different pace of living, sitting on the side of the river, especially during Ramadan where they don't eat during the day. And now seeing people celebrate when the sun goes down, breaking bread together as a group. It's good to see. It's good to see the community, the communion, the togetherness. Really makes a community thrive. A fire on the Nile.
Part of this ancient tradition. Hold your lantern, make your... Shazam would be like, but it's not even done over my
Write a wish, set your lantern free. Ended the party. DJ's gone. Dancing's gone. Yeah, we're still here. With a bar. Still a buck.